T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Engine full power. And liftoff. Go Cygnus, go Falcon.
Falcon 9 and Cygnus begin their flight, taking aim on the International Space Station. Pitch and roll program are in. Falcon 9 arcing out to the northeast.
MOD here, pressure coming. Max Q.
And great news, we've passed through max Q and are throttling those engines back up.
Nico.
Stage separation confirmed.
And back ignition. Stage 1 boost back startup.
Fairing separation confirmed.
Some awesome views on your screen. Again, on your left-hand side is a view from the first stage. On your right-hand side is a view from the second stage looking at our MVAC engine.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
We just heard that call out, and you can see on your left-hand screen that the engines on the first stage vehicle have reignited. It's just about a 17-second burn.
Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
What a view that we have.
Stage 1 landing burn.
And you can see that the landing burn has begun for the vehicle. Let's watch as Falcon 9 touches back down on land.
Stage 2 FDS has saved.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed. Nominal orbit insertion.
And great news, we heard that call out for SECA 1 as well as confirmation of good orbit. And separation coming up here in a few
Cygnus
seconds.
deploy confirmed.
And an incredible view. You can see the Cygnus spacecraft drifting away from Falcon 9's second stage, confirming successful spacecraft separation. The Cygnus spacecraft is now on its way to the International Space Station, expected to arrive in just under 40 hours at 3:20 a.m. Central Time.
NASA astronaut Loral O'Hara successfully captured the spacecraft with the space station's robotic arm and turned it over to flight controllers here in Mission Control Houston. They just completed successfully installing the spacecraft to the space station at 6:14 a.m. Central Time, and it's expected to stay attached to the space station at the Earth-facing port of the station's Unity module for 6 months. This spacecraft is full of 8,200 pounds of cargo. And later today, the station crew will open up the hatch and unpack its contents. Cygnus contains fresh food, so they'll be very excited to receive that, as well as a number of scientific experiments that they can begin working on.